Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale data science with Twitter, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your goals for scaling data science within Twitter. Understand the specific data science applications relevant to Twitter's platform. Gather comprehensive datasets from Twitter's API, focusing on the information that aligns with your objectives. Ensure you have the necessary API access and permissions to retrieve data from Twitter. Utilize Python libraries, such as Tweepy, to connect and interact with the Twitter API effectively. Clean and pre-process the collected data to remove noise and format it for analysis. Explore exploratory data analysis techniques to uncover trends and patterns within your dataset. Implement advanced analytical models that suit your research questions or business needs. Consider employing machine learning algorithms for predictive analytics or natural language processing tasks. Utilize cloud platforms to scale your computational resources efficiently as your data needs grow. Continuously monitor and evaluate the performance of your data science models. Iterate on your methodologies based on feedback and new insights from the data. Document the scaling process thoroughly to ensure knowledge transfer among team members. Collaborate with cross-functional teams, including engineering and marketing, for broader insights. Adapt your strategies based on the dynamic nature of social media trends and user behavior. Stay updated with the latest advancements in data science and machine learning relevant to social media. Leverage visualization tools to present your findings in an accessible manner for stakeholders. Prepare to pivot your approach as Twitter's platform and data landscape evolves. Establish a feedback loop to continually refine your data science efforts and improve scalability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.